Now this is question number 3 of exercise 12.2. Now today we are doing this subtract from the given terms. Now one by one we will solve all the parts of this question. Now let's solve it. Today we are doing first question, subtract minus 5y square from y square. First of all write y square, then take minus sign and minus 5y square, then minus minus plus 5y square. Y square plus 5y square is 6y square. Now this is second part, 6xy from minus 12xy. यहाँ पे हमें 6xy को माइनस 12xy से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो पहले माइनस 12xy लिखेंगे, देन माइनस साइन, देन 6xy. Here you can see that minus minus plus, so 12 plus 6 it is 18xy, and here both sign are of negative and minus is greater here, that's why answer is of negative sign. Now this is third part, a minus b from a plus b. First of all write a plus b, then take minus sign, then a minus b. Now we will open the brackets, a plus b minus a plus b, because whenever negative sign is outside the bracket, then we have to change the symbol of the variables. Now we have to reduce a minus, one is positive, other is negative, then b plus b, it is 2b. Now this is fourth part. Now take b, 5 minus a, then minus a, b minus 5. Now we will open the brackets, it is 5b minus ab minus ab plus 5a. Now minus ab minus minus plus, then it is minus 2ab plus 5a. In this way you have to do this fourth part. This is fifth part. Now here you have to subtract minus m square plus 5mn from 4m square minus 3mn plus 8. Now first of all write 4m square minus 3mn plus 8. Then we will take negative sign and then we will write minus m square plus 5mn, then we will close that bracket. Now we have to open this brackets, minus 3mn plus 8, then minus minus plus m square, then minus plus minus 5mn. Now we have to add this 4m square and m square, then both added, it is 5m square. This is minus 3mn and this is minus 5mn. Then minus minus plus 3 and 5, 8mn. And 1 8 is there, that's why plus 8. So answer is 5m square minus 8mn plus 8. Now this is sixth part. Now we have to subtract 5x minus 10 and minus, now we have to take bracket, minus x square plus 10x minus 5. Now this is 5x minus 10 minus minus plus x square minus 10x and plus 5, because negative sign will change the signs of the variables. Now here you can see that x square then this 5x and 10x will be subtracted, then minus 5x, then minus 10 and plus 5 will be subtracted, then minus 5. So answer is x square minus 5x minus 5. Now this is third seventh part. Now here we will write 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square, then we will take negative sign, then we will write 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square. Now this is 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Now we will open this bracket, then minus 5a square plus 7ab minus 5b square. Now we will add this 7ab to this 3ab to 7ab, then it is 10ab. Now this is minus 2a square, this is minus 5 square, so minus minus plus, then 2 and 5, 7, then minus 7b square, minus 7a square. Now this is minus 2b square and this is minus 5b square. So minus minus plus 2 and 5, 7, so minus 7b square. Now this is third eighth part. Now we will subtract this 5p square plus 3q square minus pq, then minus sign, and we will write this 4pq minus 5q square minus 3p square. Now we will open these brackets. Now this is minus 4pq minus minus plus 5q square and minus minus plus 3p square. Now we will add this 5p square to 3p square, then answer is 8p square. Then this 3q square and 5q square will be added, then it is 8q square, and this is minus pq and this is minus 4pq, so minus minus plus, then it is minus 5pq. Now this is solved.